All right, let's talk packing. So Robert and I are preparing for our cruise for Alaska this summer, and just wanted to show you what some of the things are going to be that are going to go in my bag. Well, together we'll have 3 bags. So Robert will have a bag, I'll have a bag, and we'll have a bag between us. That third bag, as I'll refer to it in this video, I'll go through later in another video, kind of our essentials packing video. So we'll show up these bags packed, my bag and Robert's bags both packed, and then we'll show you what's going in that third bag. So let's jump right in and get into what's going with us on this cruise. Show you my shoes. They're a little out of reach here, or so somewhat. We're going to be doing a lot of hiking in Alaska. One thing that we're really looking forward to, exploring on our own a little bit in each port. Since we're doing a 14-day cruise, we'll be hitting each port twice and be able to do some organized excursions and excursions on our own. So one thing is waterproof shoes, always a good idea. It rains a lot there. I'm gonna re-waterproof these hiking boots. These are just a pair of Mural hiking shoes, actually. And then I'll do a regular pair of easy wear, easy walking slip-on shoes for wearing on the plane to and from Alaska. And then also for walking on deck, sightseeing, maybe some. They're not waterproof, so I gotta watch that. But going to the gym, they'll do fine. And 1 pair of flip-flops just for around the pool or hot tub and in the spa. And then 1 pair of formal shoes. I'm not fully decided on these being my dinner and formal shoes. I'll show you the dress that I have to go with these, but this is what I'm thinking so far. We'll see. They've got a nice sole to them, a nice rubber sole, so if the deck is wet from rain, I won't have to worry about slipping. It's happened before, so it's just one thing that I think about. So I'll go through my outer layer here in a minute as I show you the things hung up behind me. But first we'll go through what's the clothing part of it. 1 pair of pajamas is what I'm bringing. That should be plenty if, because we're planning to do laundry at least once, if not twice while we're there. So 1 pair of pajamas should be plenty. I've got hat and gloves, and then earmuffs also. If I don't want to wear the hat, I can wear that. I do have a regular ball cap, good for rainy days in Alaska. And I've got a small purse that I will bring out on excursions. It has a strap that goes with it. I think it's tucked in there, but it is a strap, side bag. And just wearing it around the cruise ship or on the excursions. Robert will bring his big backpack, so I'm not going to have to carry a whole lot, but I will still carry a small bag with me. I have a shawl that I'll be bringing. I may bring an additional one, but this is more of a dinner shawl. This came back from Nepal from a very dear friend of mine, so it's a really nice evening scarf and shawl. So there is that. And then for pants, I have a total of 5 pairs of pants. One is just a black slack dinner wear type pant, dressier pant. For dinner, I've got yoga or athletic type pants, 2 of those. So those are great for excursions, for going to the gym in the mornings, getting out on deck first thing in the morning, and watching glaciers. I've got 2 pairs of pants. One is kind of excursion style, casual, super casual dinner wear type thing, and one is a little bit dressier pant for dinners. So that's that, 5 pairs together. And then I have a yoga or athletic top to either wear under clothes or wear to the gym. And I have a couple undershirts, camisole type, again to layer, help me layer. I find that if I keep my upper body nice and warm, my lower body doesn't freeze. Bathing suit, again for the spa or for hot tub. Those are always fun days. I've got two graphic shirts. One is an Alaska shirt, and I have this one too, so I may wear one of these on my way there. And then this one is kind of a long sleeve shirt. It's from Jerome, Arizona. And before you ask, this is a Princess Cruise t-shirt. You might be saying, hey Julia, where'd you get that shirt? I got this actually on a Mexican Riviera cruise. They were doing a $5 sale in the Piazza, and I went down there just to see what they had. And we knew we were going to Alaska that next spring, so I scooped this up, and I'm really glad I did because I love this t-shirt. Back to packing. So a couple other long sleeve shirts that I have is a Henley style thermal shirt. That's really nice too. And I have two other long sleeve t-shirts as well. Some of this may get cut. That's probably why we'll do an essential, or not an essential, but the final packing video as far as what we actually took with us and how it actually all went in our bag. Because you may see all this and go, that's not all gonna fit. And it may not. So that's why I want to do a separate video for that. But I'll move along with what we're planning right now. Got a couple sweatshirts. So I've got two sweatshirts. These are nice big sweatshirts, nice warm, good for layering or wearing on their own. One sweater for evening, wearing to dinner, or just if I want to dress a little nicer. So now I will move back here to the hang-up items. Just move some of this back out of the way. Again, this is a dinner wear type shirt, so that gives me two options, if not three, if I want to just do a jeans and t-shirt type of dinner, which is fine. This would be an over jacket, so I could layer this with a t-shirt or a long sleeve v-neck shirt. For dinner, throw on a pair of jeans, or if I want to dress it up, I could put those black slacks on with it. This is the one evening gown I'm thinking of bringing. I don't think I'm going to bring two. I just don't think I'll have room. But this is the one evening wear dress that I'm thinking about bringing. And then for outerwear, got my little cat helping me. I don't know if you can hear her moving around. But outerwear, this is my warmer jacket, and I don't know, I feel like it might be overkill, but for those early mornings out on deck, I think this is going to be perfect. It's nice and long, as you can see, and it's got a great hood on it. So that's the big jacket. And then I've got a regular rain jacket, which will probably be what I wear out on excursions. If you saw some of our previous Alaska videos, you'll know, you've seen me in this. I put the hat on, or I think I had a cowl neck on in one of the videos, which was funny. But I do the hat with this, and the rain stays out of my eyes pretty well. Although we are bringing umbrellas. We bought a couple new umbrellas for this. Nice packable. I mean, they make smaller umbrellas than this, but this is a good size, and we've already tried them out. We've already had rainy days here in Arizona for that. And then I'm debating bringing this as well, just a fluffy, warm, kind of feel like I'm still in bed kind of jacket, again, to wear out on deck for those glacier days. Getting up and grabbing breakfast early. So yeah, that is what I'm bringing so far. I may add a few more things for dinner, maybe some nice tops, and again, possibly another evening gown or cocktail dress. This is my toiletry bag. It's semi-packed now. I keep it semi-packed just because there's a lot of travel size items in here that I just keep for travel alone. I'll do our shared medicines, over-the-counter type medicines I'll put in here as well. So that will probably go in my bag. If not, we may put them both in the essential bag, both Robert's DOP bag and my toiletry bag. I always bring essential oils with me. One little tip I wanted to give you is ginger. Ginger oil is great. I make up little capsules. I'll bring empty capsules with me to make up ginger tablets if I have, you know, any kind of stomach upset, either from eating too much food on the cruise. It happens, right? Or seasickness. Doesn't really happen in Alaska because you're not out to sea that far, so there's less motion. But I will also go through in the essentials video my carry-on bag, my personal item bag for the flight, and what all goes in that. I use this travel wallet for travel documents, any printed stuff that I want with me. I always print stuff. I know it's old school, but I still do it. And then hand sanitizer, tissues. I'll probably do some Lysol wipes in here, although I really hardly ever use them, so I don't know why I put them in there. Every once in a while you might stop at an airport and you have enough time to grab some lunch, or maybe breakfast in this case, a late breakfast, and so you sit down at the airport table and the table is dirty and the airport's busy and you don't want to go and ask for a cloth, so I just go ahead and wipe it down. So I probably will bring one. I have used them. True confession. So yeah, we've got travel games that we play. I know Robert mentioned these two: Monopoly Deal, Questions for Humans, and then we do a travel Yahtzee. That's great. Robert also found playing cards that have Princess logo on them, so that's fun. So we'll bring those as well. A couple other things to mention real quick. I will bring Noon Immunity, which is also a hydration drink, with us. It helps fight off, you know, any cold or flu that we might be getting. I'm also going to bring bug spray since we will be hiking. I think that's going to be a good essential to grab. So yeah, that about wraps up what I'm bringing. Hopefully you found this informative, and hopefully it helps you in your packing for Alaska. If you have suggestions or questions, put it in the comments below. A couple things I didn't go over are like socks and undergarments. All of that will be packed in the final packing video. I usually use a separate packing cube for that. That way if I need to lighten up my suitcase at the airport last minute, those are easy things to pull out and throw in my personal item bag. So I think that's about it. You guys have a great day, and we will look forward to bringing you more videos on our trip to Alaska.